This week's question of the week is, I work for a construction company and suffered an injury while on a job site. My employer didn't have the proper safety equipment, and now they won't return my phone calls after I started asking questions about it. What do I need to do now? Well, first of all, let's talk about Tennessee workers' compensation law in general. When you're injured while on the job, you're entitled to two basic benefits right off the bat. First of all, you're entitled to medical care. Any and all medical care necessary to the treatment of your injuries from now until the day you die, unless you allow a statute of limitations to run in your case, which is typically a 1-year period of time, or you agree to close your medical benefits out in settlement. The second thing that you're entitled to is if you're required to be off work in the doctor's opinions, you're entitled to draw what's called temporary total disability benefits. You're entitled to draw temporary total disability benefits from the day that you go off work until you either return to work or reach maximum medical improvement. Maximum medical improvement is the day that you're as good or bad as the doctors say that you're going to be following the date of the injury. You're entitled to draw temporary total disability benefits in an amount equal to 2/3 of your average weekly wage for the 52 weeks preceding the date of your injury. Now, back to the question at hand. If your employer has denied medical care or is not providing you with medical care for some reason, the first thing that you should do is provide written notice to your employer that you have in fact been injured on the job. You need to give notice of your accident or your injury within 30 days of the date it happens, if possible. Secondly, because you're entitled to medical care, you should also demand that they provide you with a panel of physicians from whom you could obtain continuing medical care. If you're off work and unable to get into work because of the injury, you should also demand that they pay you temporary total disability benefits if you're unable to work. Assuming that your employer continues to ignore you or not pay anything towards your claim, or provide you with medical care, provide you with the temporary total disability benefits, then there are avenues to force them to provide you with those benefits under the law. You can go through the Tennessee Department of Labor and contact them to file what's called a request for assistance. The Tennessee Department of Labor has the ability and authority under the law to order employers to provide you with medical care and temporary total disability benefits or other benefits under the law. You can contact them if this is a injury in rural West Tennessee. You can contact them at 731-423-5646. That's the Jackson office of the Department of Labor for accidents that happen outside the Memphis area. Also, you could contact them online through www.tn.gov/labor-WFD. Online, you can find a lot of information and numerous forms that should help you get going with a request for assistance. As always, we represented thousands of injured workers over the last 26 years in workers' compensation claims. I would be glad to help give you guidance on how to enforce your rights under the law, and I always welcome talking with you. You can contact our office at 423-1888, and we'll be glad to speak with you. Have a great week, and we'll talk to you next week.
Get your life back. Call the law offices of T. Verner Smith, 423-1888, 423-1888.